Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update investment account aggregation in Personal Capital step by step clearly. Open your Personal Capital dashboard. Log into your account using your credentials. Once on the dashboard, navigate to the Investing tab at the top of the screen. Click on Portfolio from the drop-down menu. Locate the section labeled Account Balances or Accounts. Identify the account you wish to update for aggregation. Click the Edit button or a pencil icon next to your selected account. If prompted, choose Update Account or Reconnect. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your investment account credentials. This may include the account number and password specific to your investment account. Ensure that you authorize Personal Capital to access your account. Once you've entered the credentials correctly, click Submit or Connect. The system will attempt to sync your account data. This process may take a few moments. Wait for the confirmation message. If successful, your investments will now appear updated on the dashboard. Review your account details to ensure all information is accurate. If you encounter any issues, check the troubleshooting section on the website. Repeat these steps for any additional investment accounts you want to update. Once all accounts are updated, navigate back to the main dashboard to review your overall portfolio. Regularly check your account aggregation to ensure continued accuracy. You are now all set with your updated investment account aggregation in Personal Capital. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.